Hello, welcome to a quick video where we're going to be walking through an easy to use time value of money calculator. As always, if this looks useful, you can download the model directly from the link in the description. Let's begin by quickly defining the cells. The blue cells will be inputs and the gray cells will be calculations. In each of these columns, we will be solving for a different variable. Let's start with the PV or present value. All right, in this case, we just have our PV calculation here. The first input is the rate. We're going to assume 15%. The number of payments is going to be our 5 here. The payment amount is going to be this 25,000, and the future value is going to be this 1.5 million. You'll notice that throughout the present value and the payment values are negative. This is because it's considered a cash outflow. I am investing the present value of the money or investing a recurring payment to achieve the future value in the future after, in this case, 5 periods. So that's going to be common throughout. That trips a lot of people up. But think about the cash flows. The present value, the investment you're making at the start is a cash outflow, and then you'll achieve the cash inflow, the positive number, in the future. So that's PV. When we solve for FV, future value, we're going to assume we're starting with 500,000 and all of the other variables are going to be the same. And so with that, using the same sort of inputs, the future value we would achieve with these inputs is the 1.17 million. Jumping down to N, same concept. We're going to solve for the number of payments it takes to achieve going from 500,000 to 1.5 million with $25,000 payments every period. And so we would need 6.6 periods. In this case, we're talking about years to achieve the 1.5 million. All right, let's solve for payment. Similar concept. We're going to start with 500,000, end up with 1.5 million at a 15% rate over 5 years. You would need to pay $73,000 a year to achieve the 1.5 million future value. Okay, rate. You guys know the drill by now. You invest 500,000, 25,000 a year to achieve the 1.5 million. The rate you need to achieve that is 21.2%. So as you can see, these are all fairly simple and straightforward, but we've got it laid out here in a nice, easy way. We talked through some of the nuances. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them in the video. All right, that's all I have for today. Thanks.